To start, remove the cleaning wipe and clean the entire screen, edge to edge and top to bottom. Once you have completed this step, find your microfiber cloth and wipe any excess moisture from the screen. You are now ready to apply the liquid screen protector wipe. Remove the wipe from the foil and apply in a circular motion. Make sure you take your time and cover the screen in its entirety. You really cannot apply too much liquid screen protector to your device. It's important to note you can apply this over front camera, ear hole, or other components without fear of damage. You may also notice beading. This means the product has been fully absorbed into the glass and is completely normal. Once you have covered the entire screen, allow your phone to sit for 2 minutes. This 2-minute period allows the product ample time to set. Once the 2 minutes have passed, simply grab your microfiber cloth and buff your newly protected screen to your liking. It is important to remind your customer that while their phone is now ready to use and the product is applied, it does take 24 hours for the product to cure to 9H hardness. Your work here is done. You have just installed an antibacterial, antimicrobial protective shield that is invisible to the naked eye and smooth to the touch. The best part? No bumps, no bubbles, and no worries. There is no sticky residue to collect unwanted dust or debris, and your product goes on perfectly every single time.